So we are going to make a hole in an A with Affinity Designer. Let's open a new document. I use a small resolution. Wow, that is a great background. That's way too bright for me. So let's make a little nicer background here. Let's use this as our background. You can name the layer here if you want to. We're going to lock it. And then I need the outline of an A first. I use this tool here, the pen tool, and just draw the outline of a nice A. Bam, 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 bam. How do you like that? Let's give it a good fill. What color is good for you? This. Okay? Now we need the hole in the A. We stay here with the pen tool and just draw the A hole. There is one. And now what we have to do is we have to subtract this A hole from the A in order to get the compound path for our A hole. A and the hole selected with shift click, and then we go up here to layer, geometry, subtract, and there we have our A hole. Look at this. If we use the shift key or the option key, we can duplicate here like in any other program. We can turn this around. You see how those A's go over each other. We can change the color of the A to a different A color. What's better? Full red? Like that? Okay. So now if we go with our A over other stuff, you can see here that the compound clip is perfect. And the A has a real hole. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it doesn't hurt to subscribe, like, comment. What do you think?